What are you looking for?
Just pieces to weld.
You're just gonna weld everything now?
I'm just gonna weld everything now.
Oh my god.
That's my new addiction.
Oh my god.
So we'll figure this out.
Do it.
I'm back at the shop trying to get the fuel cell finished and all that rear end with the fire. But I have a surprise. It's very exciting. Ding. Yeah. I got a whole cap thing and it's like way nicer. And wait till you see what we're gonna do with it. So the cap won't leave. It won't go too far off. Plus it's a screw-on cap, not like the crappy one that I had on there before. This is what the cap looks like on there. Amazing. Perfect. It's a Summit replacement, but from a real brand. It cost $50. It says Rhodes on there. The Race Crew. So I'm pretty stoked. It's like way nicer. It's smaller too. So if I do lose the cap, which I won't, because you'll see what we're gonna do. Then it won't, you know, spill anywhere because it's just way too small and it has a neck up. Matt did a thing.
No. You told me to do the thing on this side.
No. We both. Move your head, your big old head. Look. Pull the strap up so you can see it. Are you salt banding it right now? Pull
a rubber band. Up. Rubber band.
See? It's a strap. My other one fell off. So Ryan gave me this one and I told Matt to weld it to practice. I mean, it's good practice.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna zoom in too much. It looks good.
Hold on, wait.
Oh yeah, paint it and then we can zoom in. But it holds the weight. That's the best part. So, but oh my god, we did make a mistake, and we welded it on the side with the exhaust, so it might catch on fire. So it's too hot. You're not supposed to be painting it so soon. Plus, my car is gray, not black. I have gray paint. What are you doing?
Well, it has my touch now.
So the reason I started cleaning the outside first is to get all the dirt and grime that was outside off, so that when I open that ring and I start cleaning inside, all of that doesn't go in there and just make my job worse. I got a lot of it off, but I'm gonna hit it again with purple power, and it should be way better. Then we can take that off. Is it interesting, Matt? Is it interesting? You guys like the blue LS or the red LS?
I like the red one.
Come on, that's amazing. That's only 2 washes with the purple power. I could probably do another one. But that black stuff you see is mainly scratches and stuff. That's the back part of it, where most of the fire extinguisher foam sand was on. And it's amazing. The top has always been dirty, but it's cleaner now. Matt's leaving me. Bye, loser. Bye. I got the top off and the cap, and I got my hydromat out and the sponges out, and now I can clean the inside of there and then put it all back together. Alright, a lot has happened. I took the fuel lines out. You can see them right here. I wanted to show you guys a little bit more of a in-depth look at how messed up they are. You can see they are actually cooked. See it? They're charred. It's crazy that they didn't rupture. They did not break. They held pressure all the way to the end. But they are burned, so they definitely need to be replaced. The fittings look alright. I'm gonna take the hose off of the fitting and see if the fittings are fine, maybe clean them, and then I have new hose we'll replace. So I also flipped the fuel cell upside down. That was actually really black. I just purple powered and cleaned it, and then I cleaned inside, and it's at an angle right now, and it was leaking just a moment ago, so I'm gonna have to go inside, clean it again, wipe it again, and let it drain, and do it multiple times. And then before reassembly, I definitely have to dry it and make sure it's extra dry. I'm glad I'm getting all this done tonight because one, you get really dirty, and I'd hate to be working on a clean cell with being all dirty and my hands dirty, because when you touch it you'll dirty it again. So I'll get to take it apart, clean it tonight, assemble it tomorrow when I'm clean, everything is clean. But also the cell gets time to dry and completely get all of the moisture out of itself overnight. Also took the battery and battery box out. You can see that's really nasty. I have to clean all of this. I'm gonna try to get at it tonight so it can dry as well. It's pretty crazy. This is what the battery box looked like, and look at all the stuff that was inside it. It's all rubber. It's crazy. Always be prepared and have an extra battery box ready to go. I'm trying to get the yellow tint that you see. That's what I'm trying to get off, not the black. The rubber has always been there. See all that black back there? Look at it right here. Do you see that? That's rubber. That's tire. Watch this. That's tire. All of this is tire. It's been like that since the beginning of time. I rarely clean the tire because it just ends up on the floor making everything nasty at the shop, and it just gets dirty again just literally anytime I drive this car. I like burnouts. Who doesn't? Just walking by and I noticed where Matt left his sandwich. That's not a good spot, Matt. No! Bad Matt! Wang and Jamal showed up. You're... High five, man. Don't leave me hanging.
Oh, should we turn off the heater?
Already cleaned the whole fuel cell. Got the hydromat installed back in. Cleaned out that hose. And I'm just going to put the plate back on, and I'm going to put the new cap on. Fuel cell in, battery box in, battery cleaned, put back in. I have the top for it too, and then lines, and we're done here. I still have to do the taillight wiring, but that's really easy. Just cut, resplice new wires, done. I'm so excited because I had new fittings, so I can just make a hose right there, and this one just goes right to the return, and we're good. Fuel lines in, fuel cell completed, it's all bolted down, we're done. Just gonna get to the wiring. First time putting gas on the new cap. So exciting. So we're not done. We're gonna drill a hole on this cap and tap it for a screw with a head. And we're gonna put a little rubber to seal it, and then we're gonna catch from here to that screw. It's gonna be a little string, so the cap can only go as far as the string. But unfortunately, Matt's gonna do it at his job, and it's the weekend right now, so that'll be on another video.
Steering wheel screws.
They're tight. Stop.
I'm literally taking it out.
No, they're tight. Stop playing with them. You're loosening. That's left.
Yeah, I'm loosening.
Twist it right.
I'm loosening up all of them so you'll actually tighten them like a responsible adult. No.
Hey, turn the fuel pump ignition and see if the car turns on. Don't play me. Wait. Okay. If I tell you stop, there might be leaks. Ready? I guess.
You and me both pulled away.
Why y'all scared me? Keep going. done. It has fuel, there's no leaks, it's all clean, fresh, and we're ready for tomorrow for the meet at Ace Cafe Orlando. I'm so excited, I can't even think. Adam's gonna bring his S13, Taylor's gonna be there, not with the Miata, but maybe another car. Matt's gonna come in his 350Z. So many other people are coming, all my friends. Jamal is BMW, Wang's BMW, Ryan, everybody's gonna come. Steven. So, see you guys out there. Thank you for watching, subscribing, liking, and goodbye.